These are some best sellers of ZHT's per hot glue coating machines. This is the head part of the per hot glue coating machine. And from here is the fuselage part. Here is the scraper. Here is a valve. And the glue will come out from this place. Apply the glue to the PVC film, CPL, or wood veneer for coating. The tube above is for film transfer. This is the film guide tube. And this is also guide tube. After the film comes down from here, it will be fixed and glued here. And then it will be wrapped. Let us take a closer look at the working process of the ZHT hot glue per coating machine. Are you satisfied with the effect?